NCERT Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.1, Question 9. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root over 3, find first one, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Second, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. We are given that in right triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees and tan A is equal to 1 by root over 3. In a right angle triangle, tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Since in the triangle, angle B is equal to 90 degrees, the side opposite to this angle AC is the hypotenuse. And the side adjacent to angle A is AB. And the side opposite to angle A is BC. Therefore, tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB. So, BC by AB is equal to 1 by root over 3. Let us take BC is equal to 1 unit and AB is equal to root over 3 units. Now we need to find AC, which is unknown. Let us use Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We know that AB is equal to root over 3. Therefore, root over 3 whole square plus BC is 1 square. Root over 3 whole square is equal to 3 plus 1 square is 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. That is equal to 2 square. AC square is equal to 2 square. That implies AC is 2. Now let us write sine and cos using the side ratios. For angle A, sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. BC is 1 unit and AC is 2 units. Therefore, sin A is equal to 1 by 2. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is root 3 units and hypotenuse AC is 2 units. Therefore, cos A is equal to root over 3 by 2. For angle C, opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC. Therefore, sin C is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. AB is root 3 units and AC is 2 units. Therefore, sin C is equal to root over 3 by 2. Cos C is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. BC is 1 unit and AC is 2 units. The first problem we are given is sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Sin A is equal to 1 by 2, cos C is 1 by 2. plus cos A is root 3 by 2 and sin C is root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 times root 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to LCM is 4, and in the numerator we get 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. Therefore, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C is equal to 1. Second problem, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Cos A is root 3 by 2 times cos C is 1 by 2 minus sin A is 1 by 2 and sin C is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 times 1 by 2 is root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 equal to 0. Therefore, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C is equal to 0.